Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. So we're gonna do a chicken pot pie today. I usually don't take shortcuts, but I figured, you know what, people are probably gonna want to do something relatively quick. So we're gonna use a store-bought chicken, a store-bought pie dough, and frozen peas. Let's get to it. Okay, so what I have here is one of those store-bought rotisserie chickens. And we're going to need about 2 cups of the meat. So I'm going to shred this and get 2 cups, and we'll be back. What you're going to need for this, I've got about this is 1 medium to small potato that I blanched, so it's pre-cooked. I've got 2 cups of the chicken. And basically that was everything except for the legs and the wings, so the breasts and the back meat. I've got 1/3 cup of butter. I've got 1/3 cup of onions. I've got 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. I've got 1 3/4 cup of chicken broth, 2/3 cup of milk. The recipe I was following called for canned peas and carrots. I don't like canned peas and carrots, so I'm using frozen, and I'm assuming this is about like 1 can. So yeah, about 1 can of frozen peas and carrots. If I had to guess, I would say this is a cup and a half. We're going to use some fresh thyme. And we're going to use a pre-made pie crust. Get this pan heated up. Put that butter, the onion, I'm going to add a little salt and pepper to this. Alright, I'm going to add the flour. Cook the flour down. Right, and we're going to add chicken stock a little at a time. Okay, we're going to add the milk. Now we're going to add those peas and carrots. Now those potatoes. Okay, now we're going to add the chicken. So now we're just going to add a little bit of fresh thyme. I don't want it to be too overpowering. Yeah. Just gonna turn the heat up on this a little bit and let it go. You don't want to leave it though. Well, let's see how this turns out, because I'm not used to working with pre-made pie dough. I have my oven preheating 425, because this will go in at 425 for 30 minutes. So far so good. So far I'm happy. Okay, we want to put some vents in here. I'm going to put this on a sheet pan, just in case it bubbles over. Okay, 30 minutes. Okay, so that's it. I mean, she's not the prettiest, but I mean, it got some leaks over here, but I know it's going to taste good. I hope you liked this video, and this went really quick. It was maybe an hour altogether between preparing and baking. So yeah, taking those shortcuts I think really paid off. Anyway, this is John Campbell, the Not So Neat Chef.